In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a column in Power BI for the table visual. If your table is showing a column you don't need, there's a quick, non-destructive way to hide it without changing your data model. This is perfect when you simply want to tidy up a report for viewers or focus attention on the fields that matter. Start by clicking directly on the table visual that contains the column you want to remove. This is important because the change you're about to make applies to the currently selected visual. You'll know it's selected when you see the visuals frame and handles appear around it. If you have multiple visuals on the page, make sure you're clicking the right one so you don't accidentally change a different table. Next, look at the column header inside the table and take note of its name exactly as it appears. That header text is your reference. Now, shift your attention to the right side of the Power BI interface, to the panel where you manage fields. This is often called the Fields pane, and it's where all your tables and fields are listed. You may see your data grouped by table names. Each table can be expanded to reveal its fields. Find the same header name there. If your model is large or you have similarly named fields, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct one. You can expand the relevant table to see its fields clearly, and hovering over a field can help you distinguish it if names are close. Once you've located the matching field, simply uncheck the box next to it. As soon as you uncheck it, Power BI removes that column from the selected table visual. That's it. No need to delete anything from your dataset or edit queries. You're only changing what this one visual displays. If the column is also used for sorting or formatting inside the visual, Power BI may adjust automatically. And if you change your mind, just check the box again to bring the column back instantly. A couple of quick tips. Work methodically if you have many columns, and verify the result by looking at the table immediately after unchecking. If you don't see the change, double-check that the correct visual is selected and that you unchecked the right field. Remember, this approach keeps your underlying data intact and only updates the presentation of the table on the report page. With that, you've learned the fastest way to clean up a table visual by removing an unwanted column. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building cleaner, clearer reports.